Hey everybody, Josh Deaton with Sideways Barbecue, and we got something special that happened to us today. We had Zach, and I'm going to tell you what they did for us. So Zach and his company, it's called the Firehouse Fence and Construction, and here's the card right there. Their information is on there, and they made Sideways something special. They basically just did this to donate and show off the work that they do. This thing is a piece of art. You guys have to check this thing out, but I wanted to give them a shout out. You guys, I'm gonna show you exactly what this thing is, and you're gonna flip. This was donated to us, and we wanna thank them so much for everything that they did, but check this thing out. All right, I wanna show you this up close. So, up close, you guys gotta see this thing. This is completely made out of metal. It was fabricated, and I'm telling you, this thing is a work of art. So come up here and check this thing out. Look at this thing. It's got everything, all this has been cut out. This thing was cut out with machine. Check out the words. We got all the words in here. I mean, and that's hard to do. We got our rub it till it smokes on there. And this thing is, I mean, you look at, I'm standing up straight. This thing it's big, folks. So, like I said, if you ever need anything, you own a company and you want some logos done, right here, this is the place. Firehouse Fence and Fabrication. So, I'm gonna show you their card again. I'll leave it in the description below. I'll link you to their website. I'll get you an email address, a phone number in there. And we wanted, again, we want to thank you guys, appreciate it, and we love our Sideways customers. You guys are the best. Thanks.